Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 255S music, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it by using the down and up buttons. Find the option called the system, and once you select it, press the start button to enter. Here, scroll down, find the option called time, select it, and then press start. And here, scroll down, find the option called set time. As you can see, by default it's auto, but if you press start, you can change it to manual. And then you can scroll down, select time, press start, and here we can change the time. To do it, use the up and down buttons to set the hour, then press start, set the minutes, then press start and set AM or PM. Then press start and start again to confirm. You can also change the time format if you like to, from 12 hours to 24 hour or military, depending on what you like. And then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.